All right, welcome everybody. My name is Dr. Moreno. I'm the professor for this class. This is the orientation video for this course. And so let me go over some items. You'd be starting at the home screen, and then from here you have two ways to get to the syllabus. There's this internal link, and then there's this link that takes you to the syllabus. It's a Google Doc, but they're the identical, they have the identical material. So let's go ahead and click on this one here. And this is a fully asynchronous class. It is Math 2134. It's Fundamentals of Elementary Math 2. It is focused on geometric concepts. And I just need to make a change here. Should say spring. Everything else is correct. That's the call number and the section number. Again, this is where you would find me if you wanted to meet with me. I do have office hours, but I can meet with you by appointment separately. And let me refresh this page. So let me tell you about the basic components of this class. The basic components of this class are homework assignments done through Newton Alta. That is an online homework and instruction program. Then you will be watching videos and doing some geometric constructions, and they also touch on some proofs. There's standards-based problem solving, and then there's multicultural mathematics, which attempts to get you to think a little bit outside the box. And let me just do one thing here. Okay, so I'll show you in a minute how to get into this Newton homework and then how to do all the other assignments. The homework assignments are 25%. The proofs, which are based off the videos, are 10%. There's some problem solving that you're going to do with collaboratively with a partner. That's worth 15%. And then the multicultural math are worth 10%. Then we have the midterm, the final, and gen ed assignment assessment. Okay, those are the basic things. These explain more in detail what each of them entail. And so let me go ahead and go back into our home page, which is a module page. And there are a few assignments here that you have to do before I get into the module 1. That's activity 1. Activity 1 requires you simply to send me an email with very little content in it. In fact, let me highlight the thing that I need you to do so that you know exactly what you need to address in the email. There isn't any assignment Dropbox, so you're not going to submit this except to send me that email, and then I'll record your grade. But there are 2 other assignments that you have to do, and those are the syllabus quiz. After you read the syllabus, you go into the syllabus quiz and do that. And then there's a student bio, and it's basically asking you to tell me a little bit about yourself, and basically focused on being a math teacher and wanting to improve your own learning in math. Okay, so please get those done. And then after that, you're gonna, and this essentially starts today, you're gonna go into module 1. Let me say one more thing so you know the schedule. before I go into the module, there's a course roadmap. And so this course is broken up into 6 modules. And yesterday began module 1, which runs for 2 weeks. Each of the modules has a set of Newton Alta assignments. It has one basic construction geometry assignment. It has one multicultural math activity and then one thing to solve with your partner or partners. And there's 6 of them. So there's one there, there's another one, there's a third one. I have room for additional topics. So I may yet add a few things for that 1 week. So there's going to be 1 week where I will add additional topics. I'll explain where those are going to come from here shortly. And then there's spring break, then there's a midterm. And then we do the remaining 3 modules, but they all have the same things. There's a Newton Alta assignments, there's a this is analytic geometry, but this is related to the geometric constructions. The brown is the multicultural activity, and then I think I need to design a final standards-based assignment, but they all have those same things. I think they're more clearly defined over here. I need to probably add the verbiage over here so you know exactly what the assignments are. But there are 6 modules, each are 2 weeks, plus the additional week of topics, plus the midterm week and finals week. So that's the 16 weeks. Okay, so let's go back to module 1. So you'll go into module 1. And what you are to do in module 1 is to go ahead and scroll down to the very first Newton Alta assignment. You're going to go ahead and click on that. And what it's going to do is take you to register for the course. Do not try to get to Newton Alta from outside of Canvas. Only access Newton Alta through Canvas. So you're going to go ahead and launch that. Now mine is not going to go to where yours will go. Mine is going to go to the instructor page. Yours will go to the enrollment page for the class the very first time, and then after that it's going to go into the actual assignments. And let me get to, oh, so this is the very first assignment, and let me show you what it's going to look like. It's going to look like this, and you're going to answer questions. If you need instruction before you do it, you view the instruction, and you watch the videos.
Find the intersection or union of 2 line segments.
And then you continue, and then you can look for the answer to the problem, and then you submit your answers. So this is basically how the Newton Alta assignments will work. If I go back into our module, there's one more assignment here. That's a Newton Alta assignment. The formatting is not perfect here, but these go together. You do see the title of Newton. Then there's a construction and proofs assignment. So you're going to go ahead and go to the video. You're going to watch the video and follow the video instructions.
Welcome to a lesson on constructing an isosceles triangle. Let's first review the definition of an isosceles triangle.
Once you've done what it asks you to do, you're going to submit a photo or a screenshot of your construction, and you're going to go into the submission link. And the instructions are here as well. And you're going to go ahead and submit your assignment. Again, this is in instructor view. I suppose I could change it to student view. So you'll start the assignment and you'll go ahead and submit. Okay, let's go back to the modules page. And then you'll go into the modules page again, and then come down to the standards-based problem. I need to create groups for this assignment. So let me go ahead and make sure I've done that easily by the end of the day. But it asks you to do problem number 28. So you're going to go ahead and go down to problem number 28. This is problem number 28. You're going to solve this problem. I do plan to make a video either to support you in doing this specific problem or to give you an example of how you would solve the problem. So I need to add those videos. I am going to add some content this semester. Currently inside the problem, let me see what I might have currently. So I do have a video that I've posted here, and then I have an explanation of the problem. So utilizing those two things, you should be able to answer the question inside the problem. And then the final thing in here is a multicultural math. That one is a dream catcher assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And these problems come from an author named Claudia Zaslavsky, who has a lot of multicultural math content, and you're essentially going to follow her instructions to make a dream catcher, which you can see there's a lot of geometry involved, or at least a little bit of geometry involved. And there is also an option. Okay, oh, there are some questions here that you need to answer once you've created your dream catcher. Okay, so you do need to submit screenshots of your dream catcher. One showing you in the middle stage of construction, another one showing the final product. That's just to show me that it's not something you bought off the store shelf. Your dream catcher is going to look different from the one in this part of the assignment, but I think you'll be able to see how they're related. Okay, so that's the orientation for this class, just to get your general sense of how to navigate through the course and the major components of the course. And hopefully you don't have too many questions at this stage. Please feel free to contact me and let me know if you have any questions about the orientation or the syllabus or how the course is going to be run. Other than that, have a wonderful semester.